Hello guys, and welcome back to yet another edition of Lucky for the lucky people. Congratulations to us yesterday. Our free banker for Monday special 81 dropped. Plus on the VIP side, our longer permutation, we had 44 alongside with it. So if you're from the channel and you won with 81 yesterday, reward line is displaying on the screen. If you actually had something to support with it, let's help buy a new lotto paper with that. Displaying now is the Momo number for Ghana and Nigeria number, Nigeria account for Nigerians. Thank you. It is better late than never. Let's go and treat 47 as a special occasion. Check this out. The first time this lapping at 1980 on Nationals board at event 913, 66 to lap 76 in center ball machine. 19 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 19 weeks down. This one said 79 will play. First time on Nationals board. Second time on Sunday special at event number 398. 76 lap 66 in center ball machine. 19 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 weeks down. This is showing 34. It's a key. On the current, at event number 962, 66 lap 76 in center ball position machine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 weeks down. We have 34 or 79 want to play. It followed the one that used 79. That is the one on National. After 79, this game is telling us single 2 should play first ball winning. The one on Sunday special said after 34, 20 to play. Again, we have 1 to play, single 2 or 20. On the current, it followed the one that played 79 on National, said single 2. But the second one is the indicator. So what is it telling us today? It said from single to 1, 2, 3 weeks. Please take note of 47 in last ball position. On Sunday, remember this has always given us just the indication. It's following the one on National. This one said after 20, 1, 2, 3, 74. That is the turning of 47. Remember, this is just showing us where to follow. This said 74. And the one on National here, it said 74 will play with 42. While this one here showing us said 1, 2, 3, 74 will play with 24, also the turning. They both have 44 in center ball winning. This also, both the one on National and the one here, they both have double 4 on center ball winning. And after double 4, remember we have a key we used to follow here, our pattern of forecast. When we get to an event like this, we see a number that play and repeat. It still worked for us with 81 yesterday. Don't forget, double 4. Or both places have double 4 in center ball winning. Now I said you should take note of 47 in last ball position. Remember, this one kept single 2 in position. It's telling us it will counter today based on what both of them are saying. Let's keep that aside. Let's proceed. If you could remember, our free banker last week was double 4. Our free banker last week was double 4, throwing on the channel. This plan we have for it is still showing 47 to last ball winning. Let's take a quick one on this one. Let's go on it. Lucky G's board for Lucky G, second time working. First time in the year 2010. 62 play in first ball winning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks down. Expect 65 to play fourth ball machine before it play 18 in machine. Second time here, 62 in first ball winning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks down. Expect 65 in position. Before 65 maintain position, 18 in machine. After 65 maintain position here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 18 should move to second ball winning. After 65 in position here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 18 moved to position. From 18 in position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 weeks down. 89 to play last ball winning. 13 weeks down from 18 in position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 weeks down. 89 would maintain position, but also play with double 3. 89 to maintain position, play with double 3. From 89 in position, 1, 2, 3 weeks, 61 will play center ball winning. The following week, 28 will play first ball winning. From position 1, 2, 3 weeks down, 61 will play center ball winning. The following week, 28 will play first ball winning. After playing 28 in first ball winning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks down. Expect 29 in center ball winning. 8 weeks down. From 28, 8 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks down. 29 also in position. Center ball winning. Now from 29 in center ball winning, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 79 to play first ball winning. 11 weeks down. From here, 11 weeks down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 weeks down, 79 will maintain position. First ball in winning. After 79 maintain position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks down. Expect single 5, 6 weeks down. After 79 maintain position, 6 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. Expect single 5 to position. Center ball winning. When single 5 maintain position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 weeks down, 22 will play center ball winning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 weeks down. Expect 22 to play in position. Now, after 22 maintain position, 65 in this position. After 22 maintain position, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks down. 65 in this position should jump to this position. From fourth ball machine to first ball machine, 4 weeks down. On this as well, from 22, 1, 2, 3, 4. 65 should jump from position fourth ball machine. It should jump to first ball machine. Now, after 65 jump to first ball machine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks down, 89 in position should jump to fourth ball machine. This as well is telling us from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks down, 89 in position, in last ball winning position, should jump to fourth ball machine. Now, after it jumped to fourth ball machine, 1, 2, 3 weeks, last week, it supplied us one free banker with one weight, double 4. This game in position to counter the one that moved from position to position. So what is the golden banker on this one again today? 65 that also moved from position to position. That one should counter today, supply us 20. I showed you 47 maintaining last ball on a particular plan. Here is 47 again maintaining position last ball. And the 74 that is supposed to cause confusion is in machine. That one showed us 47, 42. This is showing us 47, 87. So 65 will supply us 20. Also 79 in position would supply us with 20. And that's leaving my prediction displaying on the screen. So if you find value in this content, don't forget to like, please. If you don't want this video taken down, or I don't post a video again, tell me your kind opinion. What did you think about this plan I just showed you, both on the first one and the second one? Put it in the comment section. It will not help only me, it will help me and other subscribers too that goes through the comment section. So thank you for coming to watch this video. I wish us good luck.